Hello guys, welcome to Tech Audit. My name is Sam and today I'm gonna do a quick video of the JBL Flip 4. It's not a new speaker, it has been around for years now, so I'm just gonna do it because it's one of the best portable speaker in the market. Okay, so this is the box of the JBL Flip 4. So from the box straight, it's a nice package, heavy a little bit. So from the front box, the front of the box, we can see is 12-hour charge. This full charge will last you for 12 hours. It has IP7, it has JBL Connect, and also it has a microphone. So you can do the Google Assistant and the other Siri function with this speaker. So the other side of the box, nothing much. Just shows you how it can connect with JBL Connect with other JBL speakers. So you can have like 3 or 4 speakers and then you connect and then they all play together, synchronize the sound. And then the other side of the box, now here you can see the more instruction about the 12 hours playtime. It has IP7 waterproof, but remember, it does not float. So if you drop it in the swimming pool or the ocean or in the water, it does sink, it does not float. Okay, and then we have the JBL Connect. This is connecting multiple speakers of the JBL, maybe 2 or 3, and then we have the microphone in which you can make and receive calls, and also you can actually communicate through the speaker. So this speaker can be connected with the phone, iPads, laptops, and everything. Can anything with the Bluetooth that accepts audio outputs through the Bluetooth, you can connect with the JBL. So let's open the box. Now it has a magnet. That's very good. So from the box, parting stuff. So out of the box, this is the instruction book. Okay, just put it aside, and there it is. So this is the JBL Flip 4 speaker. Really nice. I think it's somehow metal build and then finished with some time of tough clothing, something like that. Okay, so on the speaker we have the play, we have the volume up, volume down, and the Bluetooth button. This is when you want to pair, you have to press this button button. On this side we have the power on and power off, we have the battery indicator, and then we have the JBL Connect. So if you want to pair with the other JBL speaker, you have to press this, but I'll explain this more when we have the mobile app. And then here we have the we have the port, the charging port, the USB charging port, and then we have the microphone, so you can also connect a microphone or headphone using this port. So this one is good for if you want to connect it to an external speaker through this 3.5 jack, you can use this. But the current Flip 5, the one which came recently, I think within this year, something, it does not have this. So if you're trying to buy the Flip 4 or the Flip 5, you have to notice it doesn't have the this earphone or microphone 3.5 jack, and also it does not have this flip cover, like it's all open. So okay, now let's check what's in the box again. So nice finish, soft sponge. Then this we have we have the charging cable. It's pretty long. It looks long. So the pin. So we have the USB. Okay, and then we have this. common, which is also similar to Android phones charging USB. So it's pretty good. So it's very long. Let's put it aside. Okay, so that's it for the within the box. We just get the in the box we get only we get the speaker, and then we get the charging cable. That's it. What you get in the box within the JBL Flip 4. Now, one more accessory that you can buy after you buy this is the carrying case. Okay, so I bought mine. I'll show you. This is a simple carrying case that I bought, which is very nice if you want to travel with the JBL. It's easier to travel with this than to carry the JBL within the box or carrying it without any case, because sometimes you may put it in place where you can get some dust or a lot of things, because this material, it tends to attract a lot of stuff. So if you put any dust, it will actually show. So having a case is a very good positive for this. So the case, similar, nice design, soft, so very good. So I'll show you. So this is the JBL speaker. Just press it in. Okay. Okay. That's it. So now you can carry anywhere you want to go with it. So it also have this in order to extend, or you want to attach it to your bag or anything, so it's easier. So you can carry it. Really nice package, not too big, fit, steady, very good. Okay, so it's made up of a very good material. Like, you cannot it has a hard material, you cannot press it down, so it's very good for the protection of your JBL Flip 4 speaker. Okay, now I'm going to show you how you connect your JBL to your either phone or laptop. So I'm going to quickly show you that. Okay, so the first thing you do when you want to connect your JBL to your phone, first you have to power it on. You hear that sound, means it's on. Okay. Okay. It's on. Okay. Then then we have to connect it to the Bluetooth of the phone. So we go to settings. Whether you're using Android or iPhone, just go to the settings, go to your Bluetooth, and then when you're there, press the Bluetooth button. Okay, just press it once, then you'll hear this sound. Okay, so this means it's ready to pair. So we're checking in our Bluetooth settings. Okay, so it's searching for the device. Okay, and there, here it is. It's JBL Flip 4. Just tap on it, and then it will pair. That sound means it's paired, and the flashlight will stop blinking. Okay, so now let's try and test the sound, but I'll just put this as a caution. We cannot really determine the quality of the sound through a YouTube video. Okay, it depends on a lot of things, my microphone, the environment, also the YouTube conversion. But I'll just show you a little bit of its sound from this JBL. So just try and play some music. So I'll go on YouTube, and then if you're using Android or you're using iPhone, just go to the either Play Store or Apple Store, and then download JBL Connect. Now this app will help you configure some of the function that you can do with the speaker. So I'll just tap my speaker because I already paired it before. Okay, shows that. Okay, so on the app we can see, so there is a party mode and then there is stereo mode. Okay, then when you go to the settings, here is where you can because my speaker is by default set as play and pause. This is for music. There is another option which is called voice assistant. Then this you can pair with your Google Assistant, or you may long press the button, the play button, and then you can ask Google anything. You can activate this. So connect to the Bluetooth. Now I'm going to show you something. So I'm going to play this song from non-copyright sounds. It's called Fearless, the name of the song. Then I'm going to show you how you can also play and pause this song or the video from the speaker. Also you can increase the volume and lower the volume from the speaker. So I'm going to play this.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the.
See, I can pause it from the speaker, and I can also play it.
Pain I felt is painful, all this dark.
Okay, now I'm gonna do the lower volume and increase the volume.
I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see.
So we can increase.
All my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Okay, that's it. So that's how you pair it with the phone. Now I'm gonna show you how to pair it with the laptop. Okay, so I'm gonna bring my laptop. Okay, so I'm gonna bring my laptop, and then to pair it with the laptop, okay, to pair with the laptop, just go to the Bluetooth, right click the Bluetooth, and then go to settings. Sorry for the brightness, it's a bit bright. Okay, let's see if you can see. So if you're using a Windows, after you go to the Bluetooth, go to add Bluetooth or other device, the top selection, and then go to the Bluetooth, go to the Bluetooth settings, and then do the search of the Bluetooth device. Okay, okay, now it finds the speaker. Just click on it, you say connect. If when the connection is done, the light will stop blinking. Okay, now you see the light has stopped blinking. So now it's ready to play music, or if you're watching video Netflix, then you can use it. Press done. I'll confirm. So just you go to the JBL. Okay, thank you guys for watching the video. I'm really sorry. My camera, a 30-minute record, had a problem, so I had to just do a voiceover. So it's easy to connect it to your laptop. Very easy. You don't have to worry about it. Just make sure on your speaker setting that the Bluetooth speaker is selected, and you can be able to use it to play back YouTube video, Netflix, listen to music, similar to what you can do with your phone. So I hope this video helped you a bit. If it did, just remember to press the like button, subscribe. If you have any question, please leave a comment on my video below. Just leave a comment if you have a question, and also remember to subscribe, share the video, and I'll see you next time with another video. Thank you very much. See you guys. Thank you.